We'll guide you through how to explore the new features in Claude. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Claude website. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Type what's new on the middle of your homepage. Once you're on the homepage, and in the lower left corner, in the settings, look for a tab or section labeled Features or Updates. This area provides more in-depth information and often allows you to customize how new features are implemented in your workspace. You might also find beta features here that you can opt into if you're interested in trying out new functionalities before they're officially released. Another great way to explore new features is by visiting the community forums or the Help Center, accessible from the main menu. These platforms are an excellent resource for tips, troubleshooting, and user-generated content related to new features. You can read what other users are saying and even participate in discussions to get more insights. Remember to check out any tutorials or webinars offered by Claude, which can often be found in the resources or support sections of the website. These are usually updated to cover new features and can be a real time saver. Lastly, don't hesitate to experiment with the new features directly within the application. Hands-on experience is often the best way to learn. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.